Hi and welcome back to How to Do Whatever. Today I'm going to do something different. So I just got that hair mask in my stocking and I'm really curious how that works. So it's by L'Oréal Paris Alvatel. It's called Dream Length and it's the steam mask. It's actually for self-heating hair treatment for intense care activated by heat. And it's also for long and damaged hair. It's not super long, so there's definitely people having super long hair, but unfortunately my hair doesn't seem to grow any further. I've got really thin hair though. They're not super damaged, but they need help. And I'm super curious about a self-heating hair mask. I don't really have a clue how that should work. And well, as I told you earlier, I've never really done that ever before, so yeah, I'd say let's jump in. So I already washed my hair, as you can see, as this is basically the first step. So then you're going in with the balm, which is probably the first pouch here. Yeah, so these are actually the 4 steps. So first just rub it in, then put it on in a ponytail or in a bun and just put it up. Then just leave it in for 10 minutes and let it heat and then rinse it out. So these are the 4 steps. It's also in pictures, so that is really nice. On the bottom it actually says long hair tip. It says that after applying the balm you're supposed to comb the hair so the balm is actually getting everywhere with long hair. So I'm going to try it. I've got a comb here. It's not super thin because of my experience, if I try and comb my hair or brush my hair after a shower, well, I'm getting stuck. So I can't go anywhere with that. So that's my experience. But hey, let's see, maybe that balm is like super silky, so it will go through. Let's see. So I'm just squishing that down so I can open it without making a mess, of course. And yeah, let's go in. Of course, my hair is still wet. It's like towel wet, let's say it that way. It has got about that length, as you can see. So it's not super long, but that's about the length it can reach. Just going to open that. I guess squeeze that on my hand. So it's white. It smells really nice. Like flowery, fruity, don't know. So I'm just going in, and for now I'm just going to, well, spread it in as I would do with other balms. Alright, so now I'm going in with my comb and just try and comb it down. Just beginning at the tip. Oh yeah, it's a little bit slicky, so I can actually go through my hair with it. Ow. So that's my comb after combing my hair. It, as you can see, collected some of my hair. So now I'm supposed to put my hair up in a bun. Just like that, I suppose. Yeah, so I'm going to open the second pouch here. So it's a little bit wet, as you can see. It's pink and wet, and I believe the wet is going in the inside. I'm just going to put it in just the way it is. So here we go. And now it tells me just to relax for 10 minutes. Alright, I'm just going to rinse my hands.
A little later.
This is actually getting a little bit warm. I'm not really sure if it is because of the plastic on my hand, which is like warming up, or if it is actually the wetness inside of the plastic. I believe it's more that, because it's way warmer around the areas where the plastic's actually hitting the head than anywhere else. The only problem of it, what I can see, is it's literally leaking, so it's running down everywhere. So this is like not the best thing if you really want to enjoy and, you know, not being fussed about it. But honestly, well, if you're just lying in your bathtub or so and you're like relaxing, that would be alright, that will be fine. It's just, I don't really want to get that stuff on my clothes.
11 minutes later.
I just removed my mask and, well, let's say it that way. Be really careful if you remove your mask because it's dripping everywhere. You can see that here. It literally dripped all over my shirt, which is unfortunate because if that doesn't dry, I need to wear another shirt later, which is, well, I believe if you're sitting in your bathtub anyway, it's not so much of a hassle, but if you want to go somewhere and you're really just washing your hair like that, that's not the best thing. Also, I feel like my hair is like super oily. You can maybe see it, it's like super glossy, super oily. So I'm really curious if I can get it out without really washing my hair again, because it says rinse it out, not wash it out. So it doesn't tell me anything about I should use shampoo and anything. So I'm trying to only rinse it out and see you sec. Alright, so I'm really curious how that is working out because it told me to rinse it out and not to wash it out. So I'm really curious how well that is actually going out of my hair. Well, I have to say, surprisingly, it is, well, it feels normal already. It doesn't feel any sticky anymore, and I got really sure that there is no more hair, well, no more oil in the hairs. While washing, it did really feel good in my hands, so it actually felt really soft. So while washing, it was really soft, and even now, as you can see, I can go with my hands through my hair, and that normally never happens. So normally I really get stuck right away. So yeah, I'm super happy until now, but let's see. So I just cleaned up the bathtub, and I just figured out that there's a lot of hair in here. So I really never have that much hair stuck in here after having a shower. And I mean, I just had a shower and I brushed my hair, and in the hairbrush there were a lot of hair as well. So I don't know why there's a lot of hair in here again, but yeah. Alright, so here we go. My hair is fully washed, as I told you earlier in the bath. I'm really curious why, or I'm a little bit, well, not really happy of losing so many hair. I don't know why it is like that, but I actually had a shower earlier. I brushed my hair where I lost already a few hair, and that amount of hair that I just lost is just not normal for me. So I'm not sure if it is because of the package. and it's supposed to be like getting rid of the really bad hair, or if that is a failure. I'm not really sure about that, but yeah. I just had the towel on, so my hair is still wet, but to be honest, removing the towel, the hair actually smells really nice. So I really love that smell of that hair. It's sweet, fruity, but also a little bit flowery. I can't really tell you what it is. It's maybe mango? I'm not sure, does it tell? So it smells really good. My hair feels soft and silky. I actually have the feeling that I could actually go through my hair. Yeah, I actually could brush my hair right now. That normally never happens after I just had a shower. I can't go through my hair when it's wet. Well, normally. So I'm just going to pick up a brush and I'm just trying. So that is my regular brush. So I'm just going to try it. And wow, I can actually go through my hair, and that's really easily. So it gets stuck, but I can go through my hair. I can actually comb my hair when it's wet. So I'm like super happy about that. I don't know if that stays like that, but it's probably not the best to go through here when it's wet because it's really fragile now. So until now I'm super happy. I'm just going to let it dry, and I normally let my hair air dry. I'll come back after like 15 to 20 minutes or so when my hair is literally dry. Alright, so here we go, my hair's dry. I gave it another brush and it feels great. I'm super happy with these hair, and well, let's say it that way. I've tried it. It's not affiliated or sponsored or anything in any way, but I'm super happy with it. The only downside is that these oil spots here, I call them oil spots, they just don't want to disappear. So it's not drying up, and I really have to change that shirt. So that's the only downside on it. So get sure that you wear something that can, well, get messy, or that you don't really want to wear later on. But other than that, I'm super happy. My hair is actually feeling super soft, and it's shiny, it's super soft. It was actually brushable when it's been wet. I'm still mind blown about that. So super happy. It's not any streaky or any gross or any greasy even after drying. As you can see, it's super nice and super dry. So it's just perfect. Well, it didn't steam as I was thinking it would be, but that might just be me, or that might just be my, well, expectations which were too high up. I was literally expecting the mask being like blown up and like super steamy and like super warm, but that didn't happen. It did get a little bit warm, but I think that was just because I had like some plasticky thingy on my head. I know that from henna. When I do my henna, I do put some plastic wrap around my head. Just write me a comment if you want me to make a tutorial about that one. But still, I'm super happy with the outcome. I hope it will stay for a couple of days, like it will not just wash out tomorrow when I wash my hair again. Anyways, I hope you have a great time. I hope you had a great Christmas. I hope you have a great New Year's. Subscribe if you hadn't already. Hit the bell button for notifications, and see you next time. Bye!